that I'm about to introduce to you, she has become a sensation on the internet. Her style, her simplicity, but yet truth, hardcore, to the core, to the root, has made her an international sensation. When my watch her, I said, that girl, I'm like, she, mother, so I can't, cause she attacked the truth. Her back broad like shutter, and she don't respond to no zab at no salibok, no daga zab. She attack it how it's supposed to talk. And so I have Wally British on my line. Wally, good afternoon to you. What's up?
Burn
up. It burn up. Oh my goodness.
We are burn them up straight. We are burn out to we have straight into this.
Oh my goodness. I gotta tell you, Wally, you have definitely been a hit for the past, week or 2 weeks? Lots of persons have been...
roughly about 2 weeks. Matter of fact, I just began the whole thing in roughly say about 3 weeks.
Wow, absolutely amazing. And of course your videos have gone viral. Everybody's watching them just because I think it resonates with everybody and people know the true things them where you're talking them. But for my listeners though, Wally, who don't know, never probably see a Wally British YouTube footage or nothing like that, talk to me about, okay, you deal with certain topics and issues. How do you choose the topic them where you're going to talk about and where you're going to touch?
Oh my God! Well, all right. Let me tell you how I first began. It's like at first I used to be on Facebook, normally writing funny statuses for the longest while, but it become a point where people really not like read a long status, and only the people who are already familiar that Wally British have something with sense to say would really necessarily spend the time to read a status.
Yeah.
So some point in January it came to my mind. So instead of trying to push all of my content of what I want to say into one status, I just decided, let me take my phone out. I was at work. Let me take my phone out and just make a video on what I wanted to say. The first video I made was I thought of a belt. The man them with the belt, them with the trinket and the something and then the dollar sign and whatever. And
yes.
I took a video and just make them know them need to stop it.
The Captain Planet belt them.
First videos.
Yes.
Them need to stop it, Miss Kitty. The belt them.
Yeah, man, the Captain Planet belt me call them. Captain Planet belt. Yeah, coming to know why that the buckle is so big, my love.
So I did that, and after that, everything else come to my mind within a week I made, and then, friends suggested, well, don't just put them on Facebook, put them to YouTube, and then, put them on your page from there, and, them start get small amount of views, and from there evolve. But the question now, in regards to how do I think of the topics,
yes.
Most of them, is just things that just come to my mind off the top, and I just started to do them roughly until I'm not sure which one I made, which developed, which led me to make the side chick part one. Then I'm not quite sure. But that is an everyday. It is a everyday thing where really are going. We say matey and wifey or whatever.
Yeah.
But side chick.
And
me I make some little interesting topics. Some people that suggest some topic. Side chicks. So me jump on the side chicks them and do them up, Miss Kitty. Me do them up nice.
Yeah.
With them real. Me try to make them understand. When me talk, I make people know so me not bash nobody.
Yes.
And them can really feel that in me, that when I say a positivity.
True.
And because me did done lucky to bless with little humor already.
Yes.
It led me see my call for Miss Kitty show right now. Somebody pinch me.
Mother Road, la. Wally British, fresh from London. The pump full of vibes Friday with Miss Kitty and Elva. Burn up!
I'm telling you, anybody wanna listen to Miss Kitty show right now, them things burn up.
Burn up. Well, Wally, I'm gonna play one of your YouTube clips right now, okay? This one is which one, Jojo? Which one is this?
A little history on it. Yeah. Last night was a Thursday event at South Camp Road, Flitters Thursday.
Yes.
Every Thursday. Super Willie, big up yourself. I always have the notorious intro them, the notorious sound effects them. My sound effects them different. Not the regular thing them, Kitty. You know that.
Yeah.
So people all look for you. Where Jojo gonna come in? I'm gonna play a commercial. I'm gonna play. So my intro with the Wally British.
Yeah.
Right. I'm not gonna play it the whole night.
Yes.
Cause she know there's something there.
Yeah.
I wanna the station burn up. But yeah, you have a part where really it take the cake last night.
Yeah.
Well, I just looked at him, yo, Jojo, you have to say that.
All right, play. Let's hear it, Jojo.
Well, I intro everything last night. Oh my God.
You see it? I'm even tell you, your boss at Jamaica.
Them a selector. Call themselves selector. And when I hear from the shout, then down when I earphone and them down when I mic. Them little thing, they burn up the selector, them attack them, tired of one, I tell you. You can't call yourself selector and you don't have a mic and you don't have a headphone, them little thing, they burn up. Nobody don't want to sweat the headphone to put on for their ears when they done borrow and done sweat out. Nobody know them little thing.
Wally British live in Jamaica. I gotta tell you, them little thing, they burn up. Them little thing, they burn up.
Them little thing, they burn up, man. They must say them sit them and select and they not equip. Or if you call yourself selector, you don't own a microphone. You come out of the business, man. Them thing, they burn up.
Well, Wally British, hold the line for me. We're going to take the news right now. And then we come back with the main chick, the side chick. Some man when I'm beard good Elva, talk about that. Someone will have empty back upon them dresser, we talk about that. Some man with smelly foot, we talk about that. Some whole people will go on like they never young yet to talk about that. Wally British, burn up. Nationwide, burn up. Full of Vibes Friday, burn up. We're going on till 5 o'clock today. It is your fluffy diva, the beautiful Elva, inside the studio. And of course, DJ Judge Royal and Wally British.
Some next girl now do them fingernail from Wapikin fill up. And 2 and 3 and 4 the fingernail them pop up and still at the road. Now them think they not occur. Them not happen. This the video man them a catch you when you dance with it and it don't look good. If you can't keep up with refill leave fingernail alone.
Talk to me about the side chick versus the main chick.
Alright, the side chick them know is skit. You know them already. Them know themselves.
Yeah.
The side chick them know themselves now. The side chick them know what me just understand with them now, Miss Kitty, is that it's like them really never have no training. You understand? Some of them going at this thing here and it's like me don't know if a sky them drop from in the position or what, but them just go in there and them just do up something and I saw them thing they go. You understand? You have to just learn. I don't care what is it that you're doing. There's a way, a proper way of doing it. And if you're not doing it in a proper way, you're going to cause it. You're going to be into a problem. And that is the situation now with the side chicks, especially. The side chicks who go into there's 2 types of side chicks, you know. Yeah, cause we have side chick part 1 and we have side chick part 2.
Yeah.
Side chick part 1 now is giving the layout for the girls them when in a relationship with a man who already has a wife, which is the main chick.
Yeah.
And at the same time the man have like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as a side chick. When you're going at that, you know what type of agreement you're going to. You might not sign a contract, but you know for yourself that the man have the woman and he had, so you don't necessarily want none of Uno or none of them.
Yes, mama.
But at the same time, them in it same way, so in them have to know some little things. So me tell them, make them hold them position because when the man them have all 7, 8 of them, it's like it's a football field, so them have to live good because the whole of them are teammates.
Yes.
The whole of them is teammates, is one man. You understand? So it make no sense them come a road a quarrel with them one another because none of them don't really have no stable position, and if they can't make the mischief when you look the whole team end up have to disqualify.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because them position is not permanent. Them position is temporary.
Give me the left wing. I want to play the right wing.
Yeah.
I want to play the goalie. Yeah.
You have to understand this thing now in a ball field. It's 11 players. I mean, I know multiple men, we have 7, 8, 9 of them, so we're going to stretch it out like it's a football field.
Yeah.
The woman now, she know, the main chick, which is the wife, we call her the forward, because just like in a football game, the forward response for the man,
yeah,
and the forward response to score the goal and to do up the something, and she really are the star in the game.
Yeah.
Then now you have the right link and the left link, them up on the right and left. Then now as a right link, you have a very good position because you're second in command.
Yeah.
You're second in command to the wife. You understand? You a wife a road.
Yeah.
You understand? You see the left link now. The left link now still have a good position because she's just just in a second place on the road, right?
Yeah.
Because she you know, she end up having respect.
The right link.
The right link.
Yeah.
So she is still in a good position because them they are number 2 woman from the outside. The midfielder now for her position still not bad because she still creep through. She still end up on the podium because she get a brand. You understand? So she have to do a behave for herself and act right because the right link and the left link end up have to go anywhere. She will end up or she will get one spar the night when I mind sharp people don't know what one thing she a wife. If she do have to behave herself properly.
Yes.
You understand? The left back now and the right back, them I don't know what we say about them. Them are just 2 battalions with us there on the corner when we left the man buck them buck them. I don't know what we say about them.
Yes. They were 2 Zarba thrown her back.
Them can't steer on us now. The man marker now is the man marker now. That are the one where them need for respect because she are the one who make certain that she their road every night. Even if the man not giving up power, she go decide that she are their road. She go watch, she go make certain that she do all of that. Now the last man now, which are the side chick we are play last man position now, they really have to respect her because she is the one that sits with that no stray dog whatsoever no come in on the turf.
Yes.
When we said no, it's not stray away, like them think I come to help us, no more body can come in on the team is full. You understand? So them have to respect she. You understand? They see the goal, you know, Miss Kitty.
Yeah.
Miss Kitty, you see the goal, you know, and the goal, you know, response to the good times.
Yeah, that's something there.
We never go PG them
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
But they see response to the whole for extracurricular activities.
Yeah, la.
You find your goal is very valid in the game. Because the man them want the goal of them now, you understand?
Yes.
The man them want the goal. So that's the rundown we do want them now. We are playing multiple side chick. The side chick don't know when was right. The man them have a 1 woman now and you have a 1 or 2 side chick. We talk to them now in a part 2.
Yeah.
Because I have to make them understand them position. We give them the layout in a part 1 and a part 2. Now I have to make them understand them position.
Yeah.
In a part 2 now, I make them know the do's and don'ts.
Tell me about it.
Them a side chick, Miss Kitty.
Yeah.
And they not get no training. Number 1, me have to make them know as a side chick, you can't call man will live out with them woman after certain hours a night.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, no emergency. You're not supposed to have nothing not at all to call a man yard after 8 p.m. at night. Because not care how you see the man them macho when then they are road, when them got their yard around them, the man them is baby. By the time they get check on niceness, then drop asleep and snort, snore. Phone they search, all our search for research, them
Yes.
the city they search, we search and find out the whole of the business. So no take a call man yard like you don't understand so no is a side chick and a side chick mean you will stay upon the side. You understand them a pass them place, some of them a side chick now again. As them in the relationship with the man them little bit they start ask some question like where do you see this relationship going with us? What's in the future for us? I'm gonna tell you something, Miss Kitty. A man will live a yard with a woman why you're not side chick ask them the question. Then the question if you want to lose the man, right? Because if you just understand so you're into this soul if you have fun because the side chick not really end up is very rare. As I say, I'm not going to discourage them because if them stay in them position and act properly, if the wife make a serious mistake, they might stand a chance. But other than that, then they will stand any chance. So you can force your position from out a side chick in a main chick. A luck and good behavior can cause you to graduate. You understand? They're trying to rush these things like me say, it's like they never get any training. And next thing again with them now, Miss Kitty, when they're in the relationship, after a while them stop focus on the man. After a while them main focus shift from the man to the man woman. They start to dig up every social network. They start to want to know the woman work, how much picnic she have, what she do for a living, this, that. And that's how them start get too obsessed and that's how them will get jealous. Every minute them will ring up their face when the man come around them and try to talk about wife. If you want the man get your time of life, you start beginning a man about the woman when you have a yard. The man we have the woman at the yard where they love and rate the wire, they mess up for a side chick. So me have to break it down and give them couple do's and don'ts. And next thing again, when people are wise, Them know what them do to get them position.
Yeah.
But there and then capture themselves in the kind of way. They not see just being press already because they don't impress or win for them man where they have. Some of them are side chick and now through them see the man, them are carry the man, woman, them are carry themselves in a kind of way, in a t-shirt and a little jeans. Them now take it up. I wonder if I choose she adjust them the type of way they make whatever. Me I go start do that. Now so as a side chick you have to put yourself together.
My God, together.
You have to make certain every time. You have to make certain say every time the man see you look good, you're fresh, you smell good, you look interesting. You understand as a side chick when you call the man why you're not ningy for a side chick.
Yeah.
Side chick not supposed to ask the man if he even tell us him I come check the tonight, I not come. No bother him tomorrow morning. What me can never come check me out now so them there's something there for me and chick. You understand? So me lay it out properly and get the side chick. Then work trading and them have to go buy a Wally British guideline. Alright, so I will move on to
yes,
me
and chick, you know, Lord Jesus. Hey, the side chick, them face are correct, you know. And me not, Elva face makeup. Elva is a side chick.
Elva look vexed.
Elva look vexed. Stone a flinging at the dance and them a lick at. Stone a chewing at the dance and them a lick at. Me nah play. Wally, me nah play. Wally British, why you talking on my business? Me nah play.
Oh God, hold on, that's why me find the side chick them a ball and me ever say Jesus Christ, Wally, I forgot me and chick. No.
Yes, go on me and chick. Yeah, he's real blicker. Go on me.
Alright, no, you know what, so when me overall it and a uncle side chick alone and stay in them lane and I go on like them I know them position me skippy. Some of the me and chick them know me get to understand with them. It's like a sky, them drop from in a position and I look give them it and if I them do it, them going to in a problem because them going to lose them man. Because what them do understand is that side chick, they are two man shot, no me skippy. They say man shot, me don't know what you think. Boy look like they shot to chew ya.
Yes.
They shot, no me skippy, me I tell you say all bicycle walk foot madam 10 girl right now.
True. All man with hey, I don't want to all man with a Chris right now, another tiara of 10 girl. I'm like, wow. Yeah, man.
Of course. So you know, say, alright, that means that every shot. I mean, I know what I'm to these women these days. These days it just come like when I have no sense. I mean, I tell you, I go try to turn them around. Because this thing I need to turn around. You understand? We value start degrade when I tell you, say we do something. I understand, I'm going to make them know I'm skitty. But anyway, the main chick, them know. Them get in the position and some of them from them get in, them get lackadaisic. They get too complacent. You understand? Them performance drop back. And just like in anything where you get into, for your position dropping back, you're going to be having a problem. From your performance, I mean.
Yes.
Falling back, you're going to have a problem. Some of them know as why, they know, say, me and chick can't lie down in a bed a man in time, make man get up out of bed less. Them they sit there, me and chick, them they sit there side chick, so because man have to get up out of them bed to guard their yard. But as a me and chick, you say you run down, me and chick position, you get it. Me and chick have to get up out of bed less, man a man in time, tidy out and sweep out the house. Them have to then need to get up and make little tea, get the man them to drink that the man then can belch when they get up. You understand?
Yeah.
Some of them again, I say them a me and chick, and me get to understand, say not even cook, they don't want to cook me skitty. They don't understand, say, them a side chick, you turn into a man crave, man love them belly, if they never know me, I have to tell them. The man then is crave, man, the man then love yam. So if they don't cook with the man them go along the road, go look side chick, and side chick go cook with them, because true side chick, I try to take with them, man. Anyway, the side chick, them to get the big fish, them from the skit, you're supposed to know.
Yes,
them
and the okra,
them go find
and the
crackers. Them pick them on a lunch money for that school, because that's for side chick done.
Yes.
Side chick have a mission, they want to try to take with the man. So that me I try to make them know again, biscuit. And next thing, as me and chick, them have to understand, so they and everything, them and them man have a rule. And they if you take a road, go tell nothing, nigga.
Yeah.
Because they don't know who are trying to look them man and told them a side chick are desperate these days. When you go a road, go tell them, say, alright, and this me and him argue about, or him argue because I'm in a rob, then over good. Anything where you tell him, say, yeah, your man argue about, all she going to do, if she interested in your man, I go to your man and make him know, say, and know, say, the ear of them, you good enough. And some of the man, they can't manage temptation. So as a main chick, you have to know, say, you have to keep your business on your yard.
Yeah.
If you feel like you can't manage it to come out of the position, but in your yard, so till grow here, take care till man stress, till, you know, you You understand? And that you know if you understand as a main chick, and next thing I get to understand Miss Kitty, them get complacent and then I want the certain things in the bedroom. And you make them know say this, so them a go have a problem, Miss Kitty, if they not start bend up like this and start straight out and do so if I something, them a go have a problem, Miss Kitty. Well, British life for Miss Kitty and make a main chick know so now to get to know act together. We have to start do deep for something them because side chick, I wait for no man die, but nothing more for tell about it. Alright.
Wally British on the radio. Radio turn up, burn up. And I gotta tell you, Miss Kitty live, nationwide 90 FM, Wally British straight from London. And I gotta tell you, the hottest sensation on YouTube, on Facebook now.
Florida, Miss Kitty, Orlando, Florida.
Orlando. Oh, in location of Florida, I think say London here there. 2 years with British. Oh, sorry, true. Yeah,
Miss Kitty, we have about up me for people when they are British and they will fly guys.
Exactly. No, only for British we never pass out the album of you run about. Me nothing like me British.
And them Keisha British and Tanya British and
they have a bird paper. We name Tanya British, so you come by Tanya British. I'm just saying ever, but it's true, it's the truth. But Wally, talk to me about the empty buckle them on the dresser. Because sometimes you got some money and I see it full off and the buckle them empty. Dregs.
And the buckle them empty, Miss Kitty, them thing them burn up.
Yeah.
Them little thing them burn up. What these men not understand, you know? When they go road and look the woman, them if a woman they reach their yard, the woman then don't plan to do what they have to do. Yeah. The woman them don't plan to get the business or what is it then come about them ready. You understand?
Yeah.
Because then already chances are them not going to reach a yard and them not going to reach a bedroom. So at that point, you don't need to prove nothing to them. From before them come, them don't know to say, alright, if I want shoes, you have a road or what. Them know all these things. When them come at them business, them come to fix. So then they have a need for empty lotion buckle, them a need for empty razor buckle and the axe buckle and the cologne them were done from Wappy Kill fill up and like people like idiot. Them know say woman fast. One thing me notice to do, man, Miss Kitty, when you go in a man place, see them like the man, we alone fast. When you go in a man place, you understand, you move, and I stay one place.
Yeah.
So they don't do nothing, you know, and them gone a bathroom. You know, woman say, I don't know why some are weak. Not me, some are weak. So we can enough. Some of them, you don't know, say you got your man, you look at handbag serving, you look at hand lotion, you look at whatever you have. Some of them, as them going a man pay, you know, then don't do them at and just a freshen up. But you walk now, then they are just take up lotion back empty.
Yeah.
Take up to Victoria's Secret back while one girl good left, give them the back empty. Although we shame, the better than just bust a bumps and make girl know so they don't have anything. Because to us, some of these girls fear nowadays, they will buy sit and give them to, you know.
Yes.
If them be honest within them still. Two now, them shame, breeze, blow up all curtain, when they look curtain, they cover everything, but you shame now, because all of them, they are girls, they have to pick them up. They need to stop it, man. These things, they need to stop it.
Them some them burn up. Empty buckle pan dress and burn up.
Burn up, Miss Kitty. Yeah, man, the empty buckle them pan dress and burn up, man. Burn up.
What we are talking about the man them who not beard good. What about that? Come here and we talk about something sometime enough. They're not washing their ears properly.
Them know another case.
Yeah.
They know another case. So I get to find out about them. Me they make a video call, some of them are ball out in the inbox. Want to some of the woman them front to wear, so me go do up the woman them and wear me overall. Me say about wait. But some of them are better. Some of them Miss Kitty. I know what say about them. Some of them is like, you see, in between.
In between. You see, in between. Yeah.
The grind side here.
Yeah.
If you ever make a random check and good on call, some of them will see street road, you see. Cologne angle they up top, up Cologne stink up top.
Sure. Yeah.
And if you ever make a random investigation and check down the if them ever walk out under them. You see something like Junjo underneath here and some underneath them sour. If you do better, man, because if you do better, man, underneath them with a brownie them pan their ear. But after 2014 now and people are shave out underneath them.
Yeah.
This heap of brownie underneath them, some of them mold. There's a beard and soap up underneath them self properly, man.
Yes.
Before them cover roll a try to look woman to mix up with a drop of clothes like them think we are either. Them little thing they burn up Miss Kitty them for go beard the Junjo part front burn up.
Oh my goodness, full of vibes Friday. Crazy in the studio, Riot on the radio. Wally British keeping it real. And you know, them thing they put up. You know, personal hygiene is very important, Elva, for both men and women. And really and truly, I think that some people, you know, pay close attention to the shirt and the pants and the shoes, and you're not washing behind your ears, you're not bathing properly.
So why you call Elva name when you mentioned that?
Yeah. You know, say, no.
I'm just asking, you know. I don't know what you know.
Michael, what it is. Michael.
All right, sorry.
Michael.
You know, I come from Jaman, so I don't really rise up yet.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to go back. You say, we'll go back now.
No.
I'm a trainer, take me on and give me the rigid, because I just want me to come and now make a minute pass.
Yeah.
But me not rise up yet.
Yeah, no rising no that.
No rise up.
No rising no that.
But don't rise up, Mikey.
Yeah,
do me that.
But Wally, for persons who want to watch your videos and you know, find you on YouTube and on Facebook, how can they link you?
Well, my fan page is the real Wally British.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Wally British on Instagram too as well, and you know, and the same thing on YouTube. Wally British. I think when you search Wally British on YouTube, you'll find me.
Nice.
I'm Wally British all over. Yes.
Nice.
Miss Kitty is my birthday as well. I didn't remember to tell you.
Oh wow!
Beautiful birthday.
Happy birthday, Wally British!
Happy birthday, Wally!
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice. Well,
Thank you. Find me, Miss Kitty. Find me, and I'm finding you. And Miss Kitty, find something to do with me. Please find something to do with me.
Nice. Well, guess
I
what?
lead already.
No worry at help, because we're there with it. And, you know, as a young woman, I saw your thing, and I said, no, that God knows, Tasha, I have to find Wally British, because, yo, she utter me like when woman I do them thing. I'm like, as a woman, me talk my mind. I'm come my back, brother, like, shut up, no, me no response, coming down, catch nobody here, and I tap catch nobody, I tap, I don't response. My head no big like bike helmet. I we say beauty and brains. So when me see her do your thing, me I said, John, big up to Wally British, you know what I mean? And also, it is humorous, but it is also very real. So a lot of the things that you're talking about, even though some of it might seem like, oh wow, you know what I mean, like, geez, I mean that go for, but if you look into it and if you analyze it, a true thing you talk for real. So I think that is what has also propelled your popularity, because really, whether you're outside, chick, main chick, whether you can be a good, not be a good, everybody have at least one empty back upon them just right now. I mean, know them out, go home, go dash off here. You understand? So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Remember one empty lotion buckle? Yeah. Bath and Body Works, yeah, because you know, especially when you like it, you turn it upside down and try. You understand? Yeah, yeah. Big up to you, my darling. Lots of love, and I wish you all the success and all the best. So you don't know the diva there, so you don't know a one link. You understand?
All right, thank you. I big up Wicked Hype, and I big up my little crew, and I have a work with no from at the very early stage.
Yeah.
And, you know, big up my fans, them, and I grow overnight, and I just want to go places with them. I want to keep original, and I want to stay in my lane, because of that, I preach, Miss Kitty, I have to stay in your lane.
True.
No matter what it is that you know, if you not stay in your lane, you have a problem, and I want to go further. I want to go further places with them, and that's what I strive to do right now. Hope God go with me, and everything work out fine. Really, I really appreciate you having me calling on the show. Biggest show me calling pan so far. Big up Juju Royal for me. Which part Juju Royal play me thing last night? Kingston or where?
Yeah, Kingston. Flitters Thursday. Yeah, Outer East.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So there and then now when me fly down and stop at town, people I know me and I say, what the British shit.
God, well, here we go now. Well, Wally, here we go now. Mega one drops from your Juju. I want to, you know, we all over the place. Me I go Moby soon, so you don't know, and all these things. And we got New York soon, so one the drops and all these things. Because we said make people eat food and put people out and road. Yeah, we like it. Because some people can burn up.
You know, the link dead here, so I mean, whatever, just we'll keep the link and we get it in place.
Well, all the best, baby. And of course, you know, congratulations to you on your success thus far. I wish you many more success and, you know what I mean, just guidance and protection. And I just hope that everything will work out in your favor. And it's good to see a woman doing her thing like that. I'm so proud of you, so happy for you. Big up yourself and go and burn up, burn up, run that and shun that. Oh!
Thanks, Kitty. Bye-bye.
Bless. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Wally British.
I'm sitting here listening to Wally British.
Yeah.
I love our energy.
Yeah.
Love our vibe. She done gonna lead already because you know why I say so? She humble with it.
Yeah.
some people feel that them reach and feel that them make it. I'm not look on you, Michael. That's
why you look on me when you say you're not looking
humility
at me.
thing there.
Yeah.
If she keeps on that path, she good.
Yeah.
She good. Me I endorse her. As long as she keep realize you're not the first and you won't be the last. But you're clear your talent.
She in her lane.
She stay in her lane. I love that. So
Yeah.
big up yourself, Wally British. But all the time I'm sitting here with these headphones on, Wally. Come I know you still a listen.
Yeah.
You sound like Marion Hall.
Yeah.
I don't know if nobody never tell her one day them come from the same district.
Well, when you said it to me a while ago, Elva, I mean, I listened to her message. You know, she sound like Lady South for true.
Come, I can't see her face and I listen
Yeah.
to the voice. But in an interview, I did an interview with Marion Hall, and I'm a friend. Like, we sit down and reason. All me I see her, a Lady South face.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I don't know what Wally looks like.
Yeah.
No disrespect, Wally, but all me I see a Marion Hall girl.
Skype her next time.
You're good.
Skype her next
That's
time.
she for Google me.
Yeah, you can't.
I joke. My body.
Nationwide 90 FM, Elva Roddock and Dr. Michael Abrams. It is Full of Vibes Friday. I'm going to touch my balloon right now. Pre-Valentine balloon.
One is mine still.
Yes,
we
Elva,
touch
I'm gonna.
mine.
Yes, I'm gonna give you one of mine.
Hi,
So it's not one of one is yearns.
Kitty, listeners know that they are
Pre-Valentine's.
real balloons, right? For
Yeah.
those listening out there, they really are balloons. I mean, you
And
know.
why you
because-
know at my chest when you say that?
Well, you know.
See the press for details, conditions apply.
Whatever.
90 FM.
Whatever.
Full of Vibes Friday, right here on Miss Kitty Live.